We are asked in this question to find the length of AC. AC is the side in the triangle ACX, and the good idea could be sometimes to take the triangle and draw it out of the diagram so that we can see it better. So ACX. In this triangle we know this side, which is 12 centimeters, the side AX, coming from 7 plus 5, the side CX is 6, and we also know the angle X, which is 28 degrees. Now I need to find the side AC, let me call it X. And it's clear that it's going to be one of the sine or cos rule. The triangle is obviously not right angle triangles. So sine or cos rules. Let's look in our formula booklet. Here it is. Is it going to be sine rule or cosine rule? How to make a decision? If we look at sine rule involves two sides A and B, and two angles, angle A and angle B. Whereas if we look at cosine rule involves three sides A, B, C, and one angle. In my question, I have involved three sides and one angle. I know two sides and an angle, and I need to find the third side. So it's going to be cosine rule. And cosine rule tells me that x squared equals 12 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 12 times 6 times cos of 28 degrees. The rule should be read as the side that I need to find, it's opposite to the angle used in the rule. So if I want to find the sine x, x is opposite to the 28 degree angle. Continuing, x squared is 144 plus 36 minus 2 times 12, 24, 24 times is 144 cos 28 degrees. And don't forget BODMAS. This is a single block, but first 144 plus 36 is 180 minus 144 cos 28 degrees. BODMAS, first we do 144 cos 28, and this is going to give me 127.1448 to 4 decimal places. So x squared is 52.8552. See how important it is to write all my working, because now I realize that actually I calculated just x squared, and my last step will be to square root 52.8552, and I get 7.27 to 3 significant figures. You lose 1 mark if you forget to square root your second last answer. In this question, we are asked to find the length of CD, let me call it y. And now y is not a side in a triangle anymore. Of course I could join A and D and form a triangle, but I don't know too much in the triangle, so it's not about using sine or cosine rules. It is about recognizing another concept, which is the intersecting chords theorem. From the point X outside the circle, I draw two chords to the circle, XA and XD. And the theorem told me that XB, the point from the length from X to the point where the chord intersects first time the circle, so it's 5, times XA, which is 12, it's the same as, if I go on the other chord, I travel on the other chord, XC, which is 6, times XD, and XD is 6 plus y, don't forget the brackets. And now I get a linear equation in y that I need to solve. Maybe it's useful to see first time that I can divide both sides by 6. 12 times 5 is 60, divided by 6 is 10, so 10 is 6 plus y. Therefore, y is 4 centimeters.